Hello friends, welcome you all to Dnyanadeep UPSC Samarpan. In this series, we discuss answer writing series. Basically, myself Mahesh I am discussing questions of ethics. Today's question, I have taken an easy question so that I can give you the perspective of answer writing regarding ethics. What is the question? Very easy question is, what do you understand by values? Now what happens? What we write in this particular question? We write only meaning of values, we write only definition of values, nothing more than that. What they have asked, what do you understand by values? Always remember, every time you have to think what different you can write in this particular question so that you can score more number of marks. And I am telling you that this kind of question has been asked in GS4, which is about ethics, integrity and aptitude. So every answer must be from the perspective of ethics, integrity and aptitude. So let's see what this question's answer goes. In this particular question, what is locus? So values is the locus, as we have seen. Basically, in these kinds of questions where it has been asked very straightforward, what is asked by value, it becomes very difficult to understand what could be the locus and what could be the focus. It becomes very difficult, but here we'll try to understand how locus and focus can be arrived at. So see what it says. First thing, locus will be values, but here what will be the focus? Focus should be significance of values in ethical governance. So what is our purpose? Our purpose is to have ethical governance. Our purpose is to make public services ethical, to make public administration ethical. So how these values will help us make our governance more and more ethical is main purpose. So going by this particular trend, what we are going to study, or what common man is going to write, common man will write meaning of values, definition of values, and he might use quotes of certain great philosophers from the world to define values. But no, I will tell you, if you want to score good marks, you try to write definition of values from the perspective of ethical governance. What it says. So what will be the introduction of this question? Start your answer by giving fundamental significance of values in all sphere of life by focusing more and more governance. So first 30 to 35 words of your answer should go towards giving significance of values, but you should not write mere common vague significance of values. You are expected to write what is fundamental significance of values. Fundamental significance. Go on the internet, search what is fundamental significance of values. That should be part of your introduction. This fundamental significance of values must be written from the perspective of all spheres of life by stressing more and more on the governance. So this should be start of your answer. You can give 30 to 35 words for writing this introduction. Once that is first paragraph should be dedicated for the introduction. Once you are complete about introduction, then how the flow of your answer should go. The flow of your answer should go, define values from the perspective of ethics. So after that first paragraph, you have to define values from the perspective of ethics. Only definition of values is not sufficient. Then give a list of important values which have been asked. Then explain significance of prioritized values. That is, you know 15 to 20 values, but for you, which are important values? For ethics, which are the most important values? And for governance, democracy, polity, which values should be sustained, upheld, and which values should be given more and more importance must be explained. All values should not be explained. This is the key to answer writing in ethics, where you should know what part of answer should be given. Now I have given list of values, like I told you that Nolan committee had given values of public life, which I had mnemonic like HOOSALI, Hushali, that is honesty, objectivity, openness, selflessness, accountability. Then leadership, initiative, integrity, transparency, probity, and so on. Everyone knows the values. There is no one who is preparing sincerely for UPSC do not know about values. Everyone knows about the values, but it is your different perspective that which values are more prioritized for you is going to make difference in your answer. And finally, once you are done with these values, what should be conclusion? In conclusion, you have to write the nature of governance that we are entitled to get when we follow values in life and in governance. So it is talking about what benefit that we will get if we follow values in our life and in administration. It is futuristic, it is conclusion. Here you are telling, you are giving that if you follow values, what benefits you will get. They are talking about what benefits you will get if you talk about these values is the conclusion of this answer. See, again I am telling you, UPSC is not about just answer writing. UPSC is about addressing the question. UPSC is about understanding locus and focus, and UPSC is all about your priority towards the answer. That's all from my side. Keep watching. Thank you.